Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen. You're welcome to my channel. Today we are making achara soup. Here I have all the ingredients prepped already. I boiled the meat and the cow skin. Let's go straight into the video. In the pots on the fire, I have my meat stock. I'll go in with the beef and the cow skin. Then I'll add the stock fish into the pot. I'll boil them for 5 minutes because I had already cooked the meat and the stock fish. I'll go in with some seasoning. Then I'll cover to cook for 5 minutes. Here I'm adding some dried fish, some shrimp paste, and crushed habanero pepper. I'll give it a stir. Cover to cook. I'll add some water, then I'll cover to cook. This water is not enough, so I'll add some more. Enough water to cook the soup. So as it starts boiling, I will add other ingredients. Here I'm adding some thickening powder. I'm using Ofor powder and some crayfish powder also. I'm adding some Ogiri paste. That's locust bean paste for more taste. It enhances the taste of soups. I'll cover to cook for like 2 minutes. As it boils, I will introduce other ingredients. Here I'm adding some palm oil. Just give it a stir, a little. Cover to boil for 2 minutes again. You can see the palm oil has mixed very well. Check the taste. We'll add a little bit of salt into the soup. Here is some periwinkles. Cover to boil for 2 minutes again. We'll be adding the vegetable. First of all, this is shredded Uziza leaves. So, Uziza leaf, I need Uziza leaf for this recipe, for this achara soup. Remember, it's achara soup we're making. But we're adding Uziza leaf and oha leaf also. I'll be adding my oha leaf now. Then, this is the right time to add the achara. Achara is a species of elephant grass, but it is edible. Very nice, very nutritious, and very delicious. So we'll give it a stir. Then we'll cover to cook, but not for too long. At most 5 minutes. Let's check. So the soup is almost cooked now. As we give it a little stir, then we'll leave to cook a little bit more. Like just a minute. Our achara soup is ready. Wow. You can see the soup is cooked. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, like, and share. You can enjoy your achara soup with any swallow of your choice. You can use pounded yam. You can enjoy it with semo. You can even enjoy it with amala or fufu. So I'm going to enjoy mine. Now I will eat it with eba. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.